tuturuan kita gumawa ng ube latte.
Ooh, okay.
So, as you can see, meron na tayong prepare na ube syrup here. And then our barista inside mag-steam pa siya ng milk for you. And then let's see kung anong magagawa natin yung art. So hopefully makagawa ka ng yung basic na part.
Oh, okay.
Kasi doon naman nag-start lahat ng latte art.
So
Basic natin gagawin today is yung heart.
Okay.
So ang gagawin natin, we have espresso here, we have steamed milk here. Ipo-pour mo na siya sa gitna. So patapat-pati dito. Make sure hindi nabibreak yung crema. Then when you're ready, almost full, i-pour mo siya sa gitna din. Ganun lang.
Ganun lang daw.
Yun lang yung gagawin mo mamaya.
Kala ko may stencil, wala pala, freehand lang pala to. Nakita ko na ganito siya.
Yun, parang ma-remove yung bubbles. Then, bring it up. Distribute properly.
Oh my gosh.
Bring it up. Almost full, bring it down. Okay, almost full. And then up. Cut.
Wow, sa akin flower to
Actually, what you made is a rosetta.
Wow! Sorry.
Mas ano siya, advanced dun sa heart.
Ooh, sorry guys. Advanced pala to.
Ready mo yung upshot mo na yan.
Can I try it? Go!
Sure, that's yours.
It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so good. You should really come here talaga. And if you want, latte art, I'll be here.